like paw prints, Mom. Okay. Look at this big tree right here.
I know it.
This is, I guess, where Indians used to have their houses. They didn't live.
Look at that big, look at there's the water.
Yeah. What is that? What? What? It's an accident. Relax. I don't know if it's an accident. Oh my God.
Shoo-wee.
It's like hoarded.
Yeah, stand up there. You stand up on that and you can see, look at that big.
Look at that.
It's a little pond.
It's a river.
It's off the river.
Huh. We could make a farm up here. Nah.
This is awesome. We could climb on this.
Yeah.
I mean, if we had to.
Like, I think we can go around.
If there was a dinosaur chasing us.
Look at this. We can. Look at all those white things floating in the air.
Yeah.
This is the coolest thing ever.
There's the sun shining through.
By the way, Mommy, you hold this. Come on, Wesley. Come on, let's go the other way. So cool.
Yeah.
See what else? Like, Mom, check for tracks. There's some raccoon tracks around
You find the raccoon tracks.
Yeah, it's right here. See? You should have bought that bag. What bag? That, what's it called bag? Dolphin bag. Why? There's trash. Yeah, and this stuff can be recycled too. Some of this stuff. Yeah, this stuff can be recycled. Yeah.
You gonna carry that trash up out of here?
And, Mommy, there's a huge trash can over there somewhere. There is. This is so cool.
Well, next time we come down here, we'll just bring a bag with us. Yeah.
Look at that beautiful view of the river. Get a little closer.
Let's go the other way.
Come on, okay. So cool.
It's okay.
See if there's a huge canyon. Wait, Mom, look.
Yeah, that big
It
tree.
goes like this way.
Wait a minute. This goes up this way and it ends there. But let's go this way. I want you to see the trees this way.
Look at this.
Must-
Freaking trash can.
Yeah, it is. Let's set it up and use it as a trash can. That's what it's here for.
No, it's shut. It's closed.
Oh, okay. Well, then never mind.
This is fun.
It is. It's nice out here.
And we could camp here, but we're not allowed to camp.
No, there's no camping here.
But it would be a great place to camp, right, Mom?
It would. It's right by the river.
Look at that.
Look at this tree root over here. Look at this one.
Oh. Cool.
It is cool.
I'm like, if you go this way. No.
Let's go back over this way.
trail right here.
Let's see. Ooh, that sun feels good coming right in through here.
Is this sand or dirt?
This is sand. It's sand.
It looks like dirt.
Well, look at it. It's sand.
I know. The Indians made trails, but they weren't this wide. Oh my god. What? Oh, I keep on feeling like there's something on my leg.
Wow, this goes pretty far back, doesn't it?
This is pretty cool. Hey, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know Alyssa, our cousin? She has a clubhouse.
A clubhouse.
Yeah, it's like, oh, there's a frog. Oh,
There's a frog.
see it? Right here. It's right
There
there.
he is.
It's right there. See, he's something cool.
Awesome. Little frog. Don't follow him. Let him go.
Let's go up this way.
The trail's not that way. Let's not go that way. Let's go this way. Well, let's follow this trail and see how far it goes.
Look at that. Looks like a deer sign up there.
Looks like a what?
Like, if you go up, looks like a... Bob wants your couch.
Okay.
Bob wants your couch. Okay.
Okay.
Close.
Watch out for this tree.
Look at all these berries.
Uh-huh.
See, look at these.
Yeah.
Berries.
Berries.
Let's go. Ooh. This is lovely nature.
I know it, isn't it? Look, we're still close to the river.
Look. It looks like a huge pond. Look at this.
Mm-hmm.
Tree roots and everything.
Look at them trees.
Look. This is actually fun. Come on, Mom. Look at this. Oh, I found him.
This is definitely sand.